What is this? Taking all this stuff out? No. I don't want you to do this anymore. No looking for the stuff. You hear me? Huh? Hey, look at me. I want to see it. Don't give me that brownie face. You better stop looking at all these stuff that are biting in the mouths. Stop stealing all your stuff there for humans, not for animals. No. Hi-ya. Stay right there. Hey. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Huh? No. 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 It doesn't matter. So stop. No. 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 Hey, stop stealing all your stuff in the cage. Want to steal money? Go ahead. No. No, put that ears up if you felt sorry. No. 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 Look at me. Look. Hiya. No. No. Don't you dare hit that like that. No. No. Hey. No. Hey, look at me when I want to talk to you.